Like most people, you may lead an active life, and let's face it, this means that sometimes regular health exams and screenings can fall by the wayside. So that's why at medicalhearingsystems.com, we designed an online hearing test for people just like you. You can take the test in the comfort and privacy of your own home or office. It is the free and easy way to monitor your hearing and to alert you if something is getting serious. And when it's time to take the next step, Medical Hearing Systems, a division of the Silverstein Institute, will be there to make it an easy and affordable transition. MHS has 4 offices with one conveniently located near you. We will help you file your insurance. We have payment plans starting as low as $35 a month, and we'll even let you try your new devices for free for 2 weeks before you buy. Go online today, take the test, and put yourself in the driver's seat with the information that you need to take care of your hearing health. You're going to love the way you hear again.